Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. So in this vlog, we're moving. You guys knew that we were searching for an apartment, a two-bedroom, and we found one. So we are moving. So this vlog is going to take you through the whole moving process, moving out, moving in, and everything in between. And guys, this here, yeah, this is the reality of moving, okay? You don't have time for yourself. You like legit don't have time to put yourself together. But I did my face. I'm gonna wear a hat and we're gonna get this ball rolling. All right. So today, what I'm gonna do, I'm going to go to the electricity company, the internet company, and the water company to set up that at my new place. So let's go, guys. Like crunch time. We got work to do. Let's go. I was in for quite the surprise. So basically, the line at JPS was mad long. So no, I got like number F27, and when I got there, they were at E20. So that's over 100 persons in front of me. So no. So yeah, I started to fill out the form, but then I saw that you could do it like through email. So I'm like, okay, peace out. Then now I was heading to New Kingston, try to get something else done, and then I take a look at the letter that my landlord gave me to connect the water and the electricity. It had a wrong name on it. The wrong name on it. So I'm like, okay, let me go to Halfway Tree and just go to Digicel to get my internet sorted out. When I went to Digicel now, they're saying that no, you can't come in person to do this. You have to call 100 and request such services. So this was a flop. So then I just decided to go like home decor shopping and stuff. So here we are. And they were having a sale at Maxi too. And then I just started to look at like some organizational things that I could use for my bathroom. So this is like something you could hold like your toothbrush in, toothpaste, face wash. So not bad. This is like a box with the matching bin. And then these are for like your refrigerator. So you could store sodas in this and stuff like that. So I was trying to get an idea of what's like available in Jamaica, re-storage and organization of your home. Guys, why did I say that like that? This is just gonna be like a real vlog, like real life Britonny just messing up. Britonny just being Britonny. Like this is some real life stuff. So I'm gonna like narrate a lot of it because boy, may I tell you, moving is not easy, okay? And some things I'm not a vlogger, Jesus. All right, yes, I'm just looking at organizational stuff. I think I'm gonna play some music. Okay, wait. So I found this thing that kind of looks like moss. So I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna buy it. But I like this picture frame too. Yeah, this nice. I wish it was in gold though. I don't really like silver. Tell me now, I came for home stuff. Why am I buying pants? How am I trying on clothes? You know like the pants here? I like it. I got it. Yeah, some better pants. Next clip now. We are deep cleaning the apartment. So you know Jamaica, I forget what place well clean. Not everybody all across the world. Not only Jamaicans. So you had some bleach, you know, your fob, the Lysol. Time to deep clean this apartment before moving.
Yes, so it's just like an overview. And then the landlord had put like these sheets and them stuff there, but you know we're cleaning it down. So yeah. First I gotta clean this mirror. This was kind of a struggle vlogging without like the tripod and trying to clean. No, this vlog struggle. But yeah, we're getting it done. So clean bathroom mirror, the bedroom mirror. The bedroom has like a mirror on the door. And you see how I get fat? Jesus. Guys, tell me if you like this type of vlogging, you know. I'm gonna just talk. It's not going to be like this all throughout. But I just have to explain certain things because I feel like there would be gaps in the vlog. So let's go and watch. And listen, I'm gonna play some music now. Alright.
Alright guys, so an overview of things packed so far. Clothes, trash can, TV, bar stool, makeup, food, kitchen stuff, bedding stuff. That's where we are so far. It's been a few days. I wanted to explain what happened with the moving vlog and the day of my move because there was just like a little gap while editing. Guys, so I'm there, pack up my things, everything, and this was a very stressful day because I am a teacher, if you don't know, and the next day after my move, I was being appraised as a teacher. So that's basically a period where you're going to get graded. They're going to watch you teach and take all of your documents and review everything, right? So I'm kind of stressed, but I'm saying, you know what? Packing, everything floor. All right, cool, packed, ready. I booked, and then by this time, our Prime Minister here in Jamaica would have announced that um, we are going to have lockdowns for the weekends to come, right? So people must say all of the moving company then booked. No. So anyways, I got through to a guy, right? All of the, I'm not gonna say top moving companies, but a bunch of them booked up. But then I got through to this company, seemed professional, everything, cool, booked in. So the day of my move, like normally I'm the type of person I would have called, followed up all them stuff there. But like I legit just booked in yesterday. So I say, yo, you know what, that's supposed to fresh in my mind. And I move, I try to get everything done. When I even think about him, he's going to. So I called him now. I'm like, I was supposed to move at 3. It's now like 4. So I'm like, hey, where are you? Because he said he could be like a little bit late because he has a move before. So it could go either way. I'm like, where are you? I'm supposed to move here. He's like, oh my God. I'm just now realizing that you said tomorrow and not Thursday. So he had me down for another day. So I'm like, if this man don't come move me right now. Because guys, in all these situations, just always want to stay positive. So he's like, all right, I'm going to start out something. I'm going to start out something and get you moved tonight. Here in Jamaica, mind you, we have a curfew for 8 p.m. All right, this is now after 4. Continue till now. He comes to my house after 7. Just start moving in the thing. So in the clip you would have saw that it's like night time now, right? After 7. So guys, guess who moved during the curfew? Because like, where was I going to sleep? Alright, so I had to move. But you want to we drive quick on the road. So the main thing is that we moved. All things were successful. Police never pulled me over and charged me. But some, like, even with this curfew thing, I think like persons, like even police officers, they must understand that things come up, situations happen with people because me didn't need to move, and it was like human error again. Like I was upset with the company being professional and all that, but human error, things happen. Alright, so the main thing is that we moved, but me did vex in the moment. I was upset in the moment, so I fling down camera, stop vlog. That's how I am though. feeling about the situation anymore. Like I stopped vlogging. I'm not going to come on the camera angry and upset and no. I would rather just stop vlogging. So that's why you guys didn't really see anything much from movie day because me get upset. I'm gonna make anger win. Don't ever let anger win. So I said I know I'm gonna have no vlog footage for sure. And that's what happened on moving day.
Alright, so now a few days pass and we're preparing to go into our lockdown. I needed to go back to JPS because no one was answering those emails that I was sending. So now I went into JPS, yeah, thinking I'm early. No, they're telling me now that all of that has to be done on an app. So I had to go home, download the app, get that done. So now I'm coming on at NWC. They're kind of telling me the same thing. It has to be done online. Alright, so I just left NWC. Again, it's online, so they gave me this like thick document to fill out, submit online. So now I'm gonna go to my shipping company to see if I can pick up this package before like lockdown begins, because all non-essential businesses should close at 12 today in Jamaica. So I'm gonna try to go to my shipping company and go to the supermarket, and then hopefully by that time the internet company comes. All right, let's see. I think I'm a little bit early. I think I'm early. Alright, so I got my package. I just like tossed it in this grocery bag because I don't want to touch it. I don't know if it's contaminated or what.
Alright, so I'm back home. Did a whole lot of stuff. Alright, so I'm just gonna show you guys what I got from ASOS. So what I always do, spray down my packages with some Lysol, even though I'm already like touching it, but it's just an extra little step, you know. And guys, the hair, this is another story. My hair appointment got cancelled. Like, it's for a good reason, but this is how we're doing lockdown. It's so bad, it's so sad, but whatever, I understand. So let's go into the package, show you guys what I got from ASOS. Ugh. Oh, Ross, I forgot I got sunglasses and they just fell. Oops. Alright, let me show you the sunglasses first. So I got 2 pairs. I think this one is called like a tortoise shade. Is that what they call them? Like tortoise, when they have the little, can y'all see that design on the sides? But yeah, these are super cute. So let me show you what these look like. I just needed some sunglasses. Right. What am I do? I think I just made them tighter. Let me get the scissors because I don't know why I was struggling like that. Just got me some scissors. Alright, so this is the first one. I don't know how it looks, I can't see. But yeah, this is the first one. So that's like a darker shade. And then I got this like mocha chocolate brown one. Ooh. See that? So cute. Alright. It's the exact same like shape, just in different colors. And it's coming up to be summer. Well, Jamaica always hot, but it's gonna be hotter now. So I said, let me get me some shades. Cute. Alright, cute. Alright, so the next thing I got Okay, this is a bodysuit. It's a long sleeve. I think it has like a turtleneck type of bodysuit. Yeah. So this is the turtleneck part, and this is the bodysuit. Yeah. You guys know a bodysuit. Yeah. So just imagine, you know, I may try it on. But yeah, this is it. It's a bodysuit, black, basic. It's kind of thin. I'm not gonna lie. It's kind of thinnish, but it's still good fabric. You see? But yeah, it's just a basic turtleneck black bodysuit. Then I got a t-shirt. So this t-shirt, okay, good. Like the sizing is just perfect because I don't want it like to be fitted, and I wanted like a little oversized type of look. So it has like this line art design on it with like a face, black and white, and oversized. This is good. So I got this in a U. It says medium. Yeah, I got this in a medium. Right, I wanted an oversized look, and I got the bodysuit in. These are like UK sizes, UK 10. So yeah, bodysuit is in UK 10, and the t-shirt is in a medium. I'll leave links down below. You guys, when I tell you this took forever to get over my head, like this neck part here choking me, okay? Like oh, I don't like jeez, it messed, like my hair was like already trash, and now it's like even worse. Like you cannot do your hair and then put this on. You have to put this on and then do your hair, because that was a struggle. I think on camera this is going to look see-through because the lights are like really bright, but it's not super see-through. Can't go too far back, but yeah, it has a thong pin under part, which I like. I like the thong bodysuits. Fabric soft and nice. In real life it's not really see-through, but I think on camera with the lights that I have, it's gonna be see-through. But the only thing is like the neck, like this part was like choking. It was so hard to put on. It's a roll neck, so I think I could wear it like these. Sunglasses. Yeah. All right, let me show you the t-shirt real quick. All right, so this is the fit of the t-shirt. I just put it on over the bodysuit. So yeah, oversized vibe. You know, I'm just gonna wear like biker shorts with this. You catch the vibes. Just a basic graphic tee. Good morning, everyone. So I will be working out today. This is the first day of our lockdown in Jamaica. Well, it's Good Friday. It's the first like no movement day for this weekend lockdown. So I'm just gonna work out like around my apartment complex. This is what I'm wearing. I think all of this was from like, yeah, I think all of this was from like Walmart. This full outfit, like I am so fat. Do you see this? Let's get this workout in. I'm gonna put on my sneakers at the door. Yeah, let's get going. So I'm back from my workout. Like I sweat a little bit, but not a lot. I'll show you. See, I got some sweat in. Whew. I just did like laps around my apartment complex and like sprints, like back and forth through the parking lot. Yeah, so I just did some walks around and then I did some sprints just to get my heart rate going. But the thing with exercise, you got to like wean yourself. My lips probably look so dry. You have to like wean yourself back into the exercise and like you can't go full force on day one, like you're gonna hate it. So yeah, I got a little sweat in and I'm glad. Let's continue this lockdown. I'm gonna take a shower and then I'm gonna make breakfast. Good morning, everyone. It's about 6:30. Yeah, it's about 6:30 here in Jamaica. It's Saturday morning. The curfew just lifted, but at 12 o'clock there will be another curfew, like 12 midday. Right, that will go into Tuesday morning. So Sunday is no movement. Monday, Easter Monday is no movement. So we have up until 12 midday today to get everything that we have to do done. So I'm gonna head to the supermarket. That's really the main thing I want to do. I also want to go. I'm going to check if the post office is open. It may not be, but I have 2 packages. Well, yeah, the supermarket is the main focus for today. So we're up early. We're headed to the supermarket. I know there's gonna be a line, and I'm probably sure there's already a line there, but I'm not going to the supermarket at 6 a.m. waiting for them to open at 7. Like, I'm so sorry. I'm not doing that. Well, let me show you my outfit. So this is what I'm wearing. I'm wearing this glasses I got from ASOS. This is just a scarf. I'm just tie it up one way. I just tied it up. This bodysuit I got from like a store in Kingston. The leggings are Fashion Nova. The sandals Michael Kors. This bag I got Payless. Yeah, it was on sale. So yeah, this is the vibes for today. Yeah. You guys, it's empty. I'm so happy. It's empty. So we can take our time. Oh, they have plants in here? Okay, Rachel. I think I'm gonna go over there. It's the court. Let me see. Okay. That's good enough. Oh my god, are you guys into oat milk? Right, this is an oat chocolate one. This is rice milk. I just get like almond milk, but I probably think I should try oat milk at least once. They also have cashew milk, which could be good. Let me see. It's cashew milk. These are 808. This is expensive as oh, I'm not cursing. Sorry, this is expensive. If you know you're at a supermarket when they have sweet potato fries and no regular fries, like where's the regular fries? This is too bougie. Too bougie for me. Not a red. I'm looking for my favorite wine. Let me see. I cannot find it. I need wine for lockdown. That's like a must. Oh, somebody been telling me to try these Caribe Rosé, so I'm gonna try one. And I think I should try a pineapple. No, I'm gonna try the rosé one. But yeah, let's find that wine that I like. There's my cart all the way around here. Oh, but I'm not seeing it. so I'm home now. So guys, I really thought I would just go and get like this bag full, but I actually get like 2 bags full of stuff because me, when I go to the supermarket, I have no control. Like, it's bad, but I really need these stuff, so I'm gonna unpack it up. I don't think I'll show you exactly what I got. You know, snap egg, bombat, cereal, bun, yogurt, cheese, toilet paper, lasco, mayonnaise. The regular things, me get man, regular things. Oh, let me show you the wine. So I ended up getting, let me find it. And guys, if you don't know, here in Jamaica, plastic bags are banned. So we have to use like shopping bags or boxes when we go to the supermarket. So this is the wine that I ended up getting. It's a rosé amaranta. It's a Spain wine, a Spanish wine made in Spain. So I'm going to try this out. It's not my, I've never tried it, so let's see how that goes. So I'm going to close out the vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching.
Yeah, I don't know what happened to my mic. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you know when I upload first the next time. This was like a crazy, like real day in the life with me, week in the life. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Bye guys, and I appreciate the honesty.